If you have been holding off on buying a new tablet, you might want to pay close attention to what is happening inside Apple's design labs right now. The iPad 12th generation is shaping up to be the most significant shift in the budget tablet market we have seen in nearly a decade. Rumors from reliable supply chain sources suggest that Apple is finally ready to bridge the gap between the standard iPad and the premium power users' devices. The biggest revelation is the internal hardware. Industry analysts are pointing toward an A19 chip, a massive leap over the previous generations that changes how this device handles multitasking and high-end gaming. We aren't just talking about a minor speed bump. We are talking about a 3-nanometer architecture that mirrors the performance of the latest iPhones. Think about what this means for your daily workflow. The inclusion of an A19 chip in the iPad 12th generation isn't just about raw speed. It is about the neural engine. For the first time, the base model iPad is heavily rumored to support the full suite of Apple Intelligence features. This means the iPad 12th generation will be able to handle complex on-device AI tasks, from advanced photo editing with a new cleanup tool to a fully transformed, context-aware Siri. If you have felt that your older tablets struggled with modern software demands, the iPad 12th generation is being built specifically to solve that problem. When you pair this A19 processor with a rumored jump to 8 gigabytes of RAM, the iPad 12th generation transforms from a simple media consumption device into a legitimate productivity powerhouse. Now, let's talk about connectivity, because this is where the iPad 12th generation really separates itself from the pack. Leaks indicate that the iPad 12th generation will feature the new N1 wireless chip, bringing Wi-Fi 7 capabilities to the table. This is future-proofing at its finest. Whether you're downloading massive files, streaming high-resolution content, or working in a cloud-heavy environment, the iPad 12th generation is being designed to handle next-generation network speeds with ease. We are seeing reports that the iPad 12th generation will maintain its classic, sleek aluminum form factor, which keeps the device both durable and lightweight. While there isn't a radical design overhaul expected, the refinement in the iPad 12th generation focuses on efficiency and heat dissipation to keep that A19 chip running at peak performance. The camera system on the iPad 12th generation is also seeing some strategic updates. While the 12-megapixel sensor remains a staple, the integration of new ISP, image signal processor, capabilities in the A19 chip means that the iPad 12th generation will produce significantly better results in low light. This is a game-changer for students or professionals who rely on their tablets for video calls and document scanning. Apple is reportedly keeping the iPad 12th generation compatible with the Apple Pencil Pro, which further cements this device as the ultimate tool for digital artists and note-takers. The screen, expected to be the signature 11-inch liquid retina display, will continue to provide the clarity and color accuracy that Apple is known for, ensuring the iPad 12th generation remains the top choice for media creators on a budget. Finally, we have to address the pricing. The most shocking aspect of the iPad 12th generation leaks is the commitment to the entry-level price point. Apple is playing a strategic game, aiming to keep the iPad 12th generation starting near the $350 mark. By maintaining this aggressive pricing while packing in an A19 chip and 8 gigabytes of RAM, the iPad 12th generation is poised to dominate the education and consumer markets. If you're debating whether to upgrade, the evidence suggests that the iPad 12th generation is the device that will last you for the next 6 years of OS updates. This isn't just another tablet release. The iPad 12th generation is the new gold standard for value in 2026. Keep your eyes on the upcoming Apple event, because the iPad 12th generation might just be the most important product launch of the year.